Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I have a very special project to talk about. This is an amazing metaverse that is growing and has a lot of potential. And if you're interested, then watch the video till the end. Today's video is going to be about BitCountry. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, Educational Networking. Head over there and check it out. So what is BitCountry all about, and who are the people behind it, and why has this become one of the biggest platforms that everyone is speaking about? BitCountry is a platform that is for user-created metaverses and smart contract platforms for dApps and games, and it has become the biggest platforms and the biggest project that everyone is talking about right now. And the main reason for that, it is the mothership of all user-generated metaverses, meaning that Continuum, a spot on the Continuum, is the portal to your metaverse that you secure your spot for your BitCountry with the NFT avatar and the 3D world. It is driven by the community. The topographic is only realized through the voting, meaning a good neighborhood protocol. New potential slots are made available through the on-chain logic that is driven by the number of BitCountries and other platform factors. An available slot on the Continuum is then auctioned to the highest bidder, awarding the right to occupy the slot with their metaverse. And the overview of BitCountry and the Metaverse network is the fact that the platform actually allows non-technical users to build their own metaverse. Developers can use their APIs to develop their games and smart contract dApps. Metaverse network is the blockchain network of BitCountry application framework. The NUUM token, or the Canary Network NEER, is the fuel that is powering the entire ecosystem, from users, metaverse builders to metaverse projects. The BitCountry application and framework and API, and the Metaverse.network blockchain protocol. This is the ecosystem of the project. Your metaverse is your kingdom, and you can launch your own metaverse for your social media group community without requiring any technical skills. Engage your members in a different dimension. Attract more people to join using the rules and policies you set by your will, and grow your metaverse in multiple ways in the Web 3.0. And that is why major industry leaders and organizations are moving towards this particular metaverse, the BitCountry. Your map and land blocks make up your metaverse. The land blocks can be subdivided into land units, and browse your land on your own map or immersive inside the 3D world. Land unit is the basic unit of realm for user creator game modes. And then you have your economy, and incentivize the people to contribute to your community and grow your community with your metaverse developments, with different games that are available on the network that are supported by the Ethereum compatible smart contracts, and developers can deploy their existing dApps or build brand new ones for the metaverse with the blockchain, with the Ethereum compatibility layer, with powered by Subtract and cross-chain and governance and staking and low gas fee. All of these elements are available on their blockchain, and which makes this one of the biggest platforms right now that every single organization is turning to. So if you're thinking about investing or staking or being involved in a particular project, make sure it's a project that gives back, that returns on your investments, that returns on the time that is spent. And looking at the demo day highlights of November 25th, 21, you can clearly see how much they've actually achieved with the era of the platform. I personally feel I've not seen a roadmap that has so comprehensively looked at every single aspect that they have developed, and looking at it and creating it in this nature and in this way. The strategic approach that they've taken in executing and implementing the strategy which they have made is absolutely flawless, and that is why they have become the biggest project in the NFT space right now, in the metaverse space right now, because they understand exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it, combining that knowledge and combining that experience and bringing those things onto one platform and using that information and executing in the nature they're doing it. They are able to scale their project and make it successful. If you look at the big names in the industry, you can clearly and visibly see what they've done and how they've done it. And that is why BitCountry has achieved so much success in such a short time. You can request early access by putting your first name, your last name, and your email address as well, and making sure to tell them that you're not a robot and submit it. And then you'd be welcome to the Bitcoin. And one of the reasons why they have achieved so much success is because of their core team. And looking at the individuals that have created this project, that have put their passion into it, that have put their experience and their life knowledge into this project, is clearly visible that they have achieved success. Because if you look at the big names in the industry, either be the Bored Ape Yacht Club or Meta Avatars, Invisible Friends, Beans, all of these major players in the NFT space, you can clearly see that they have the aspect of successful business executions. And obviously BitCountry has learned from the mistakes and executed it with new ideologies and implemented upon those ideologies, and they're creating a dent in the metaverse right now. They're in competition with names such as Luna One, who are massive in their own rights, but they are competing with the elements that they are not able to achieve, things they're looking at from a different dimension. They're having an out-of-box experience when it comes to these individuals, and you can research these people and see how much experience they have in the industry and what they're actually bringing to the table that makes them so unique. From the software developers, from the 3D artists, from the game developers, from the head of the community, all these individuals are people that have a lot of experience. They have a background of successfully launching whitelisted Metaverse or Disneyland events with the aim to raise $4 million in the first round, and obviously having huge names that have invested with them, and participation in the Berkeley blockchain in 2021 in a participation of the Creative Constructive Lab of the University of Toronto and the Web3 Foundation Open Grant recipients as well. They're supported by the massive names in the industry and backed by even more, and that is what has taken them to the next level, scaled their project and made them successful with press releases and coverage by major names, and obviously availability across the board amongst all these social media networks. And that is one of the reasons I personally feel that you need to join the Discord, because the Discord is the place to get reliable and up-to-date information about this project and every other project. And guys, that is one of the major reasons why I always make videos and create awareness for NFT holders, metaverse enthusiasts, and play to earn gamers, because I want them to have the right information so they understand exactly what they need to do. So if you want information on particular successful NFTs and play to earn games and metaverses, you can always head over to my channel, The Educational Network, and check them out. And leave me a comment either on Facebook or on YouTube or on Instagram, and I will definitely reply back to you, because your information enables me to understand of exactly what you're thinking about and what you're wanting. If you want to speak to me directly, you can also do that. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel on The Educational Network. You can head over there, get my number, and drop me a WhatsApp, and I will definitely reply back to you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and with your family on Facebook and WhatsApp, so more people can find out about BitCountry and why this has become the most talked about project in the industry. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.